my guap. All the bad hoes wanna talk, but too many wild parties on. Me and Bo got kicked out the yard. Air it out. Pull up at your spot and I air it out. Hang on the gas and it's very loud. Stop saying my name before you wear it out. I've been sipping lean, tryna slow me down. I need me a bitch that'll hold me down. Gang coming strong, yeah, we rollin' out. Throw a party like Rollin' Loud. Don't come unless you send focus, so just like 10-4. Send your bitch the info. Feeling real blessed with juice, that's my info. Bless up, she tell me I'm a god, get on her knees for confession. Sent the vid to a nigga, had to teach a lesson. Me and Bo only want bad hoes in our section. Juice, why these pussy ass niggas always pressing? I don't know, let them talk, I'ma go get my Smith & Wesson. Blessed boys under 21, steady flexing.